today is July 3rd. We are going to the beach with our friends. Since he has work tomorrow, we are getting ready to go to the beach. Toes, tent, beach wagon. Ooh, I'm excited. We got this small grill for $12 at right age. So we're gonna take this to the beach. Yay! We are on Coronado Island. I bet other beaches are so crowded today, but we are going to the beach on base. There's so many nice houses around here. Yay! This is the base, Navy base. Yeah, it's an airplane, babe. We are on Navy base.
Wow!
We are here. We came to the beach on Coronado. They wear matching clothes. Yay! We like coming to this beach because there are always less people than like public beaches. And you know, it's safe because it's on base. Not everyone can come. So much stuff because we have a small grill. We have a lot of food and stuff. Ganbare, ganbare. We've been to a few beaches here, like Pacific Beach, Mission Beach, the beach in La Jolla. But I think I love this Breakers Beach on Coronado the most. Almost there! See, it's not like too crazy. Look at this beach. This is a Breakers Beach. It's a little windy today. We're gonna have our tent here. Okay, we got a tent. And we have our friends. And we're out. It's a bit nice. Two more friends are coming. They're on the way now. Water is a little cold, but our son doesn't care. Yeah, our son. See, this beach is extremely beautiful. There's the famous hotel, you know, Coronado. She got her favorite blackberries. She gets excited! Eat, baby. We are waiting for two more friends. Woo!捕まりました。ジェイクに。ジェイクお兄さんに捕まりました。Thank you. It's cold. It is nice. It's cold. Our son loves water. Our friends are there too. And
うん、めっちゃ綺麗。泥入れた。
Okay, we got all our tents and umbrella. He's cooking hot dogs. Hey Yuri, I miss you. Yuri-chan, look, Yuri. Yuri! Now my friend are gonna good idea. Good job, Kenji. Good job. Yay. Finally, we are going home. It's 5:40 p.m. We are here for like almost 6 hours all afternoon. We had fun. Tomorrow is July 4th, but I'm glad we can stay because it's gonna be more crazy tomorrow. More people. Going home. This is how we celebrate 4th of July, right? Because you have to be at work all day. So we are doing s'mores on the stove. This looks good.
Oh, during 4th of July,
Yeah.
you could see the fireworks from the portholes
Yeah.
from where the crews sleep.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to always go walk out and yell at kids to go to sleep.
I've heard it's a very good spot to see all the fireworks.
Yeah. You'd like walk around and you'd catch like the firewatch on the balcony, like wishing he was out there.
Eating s'mores.